Searches for basic life skills hit record highs in 2025. Millions of people are Googling questions like how to do laundry, how to pay taxes, and how to jumpstart a car. These aren't complicated skills, but if nobody ever showed you how, then you'll have to figure it out yourself. And that's why you're watching this video. Today, we're answering the 10 life skills questions that young adults are actually searching for right now. Here we go. Number 1, how to do laundry. This one tops the list because it's the most basic independence skill, and somehow nobody taught you. Here's what you actually need to know. Sort or don't sort. If you're washing new dark clothes, wash them separately the first time. After that, most everyday laundry can go together on cold. Detergent. Use way less than you think. That line on the cap? It's a suggestion from the company that wants to sell more detergent. Half that amount works fine. Drying. Clean the lint trap every single time. Seriously, this prevents fires. And if something says, lay flat to dry, believe it. Pro tip, read the tags on your clothes. They're there for a reason. Number 2, how to file taxes. Every April, Google searches for how to file taxes skyrocket. Nobody taught you this in school, but it's not as scary as it sounds. First, know your forms. If you have a regular job, you'll get a W-2 from your employer. If you freelance or do gig work, you'll get 1099 forms. These show how much you earned. For simple tax situations, use free filing options. The IRS has free file for people earning under a certain amount. TurboTax and H&R Block also have free versions for basic returns. Deadline April 15th, don't miss it. Late filing means penalties. Pro tip, start a folder right now for tax documents. When a W-2 or 1099 arrives, throw it in the folder. When tax season hits, everything's in one place. Number 3, how to boil eggs. 200,000 people search this every month. It's one of the most basic cooking skills, and it's actually easier than you think. Put your eggs in a pot, cover them with cold water, about an inch above the eggs. Bring the water to a full boil on high heat. Once it's boiling, turn off the heat, cover the pot, and let it sit for 8 to 10 minutes. After the time is up, drain the hot water and immediately put the eggs in a bowl of cold water. This stops the cooking and makes them easier to peel. Pro tip, older eggs peel easier than super fresh ones. If you're making deviled eggs, buy the eggs a week ahead. Number 4, how to jumpstart a car. This is one of those skills that feels scary until you've done it once. Here's the order that matters. First, make sure both cars are off. Get your jumper cables. Red cable to the dead battery's positive terminal, then red cable to the good battery's positive terminal, black cable to the good battery's negative terminal, then black cable to a metal part of the dead car's engine, not the battery. This is important. Start the good car and let it run for a few minutes. Then try starting the dead car. Pro tip, keep jumper cables in your trunk. Don't wait for an emergency to buy them. Number 5, how to write a check. You might think checks are outdated, but landlords still ask for them and some bills require them. Here's what goes where. Date line, today's date. Pay to the order of line, the person or company you're paying. Dollar box, the amount in numbers, like $50,000. Dollar line, the amount in words, like $50 and 00100. Memo line, what the check is for. Not required, but helpful. Signature line, sign it or it's not valid. Pro tip, fill in the pay to the order of line first. That way, if you lose the check before signing it, nobody can cash it. Number 6, how to open a bank account. This should be simple, but a lot of people get confused by the options. Here's what you need to know. Checking account. For money you spend regularly. You get a debit card and can write checks. Savings account. For money you're setting aside. Usually earns a tiny bit of interest. What you need to open one. Photo ID, social security number, and an initial deposit. Some banks require 25. Some require nothing. Avoid monthly fees. Look for student accounts or accounts with no minimum balance requirement. Pro tip: credit unions often have better terms than big banks. Check what's available in your area. Number 7. How to tip. Properly tipping culture is confusing and inconsistent, but here's a general guide. Restaurants with table service, 10 to 20%. If the service was great, go for 20. If it was okay, 15 is fine. Delivery, 15 to 20%, or at least $3 to $5, whichever is more. Coffee shops and takeout, 10 to 15%, or $1 to $2 per order. This is optional. Counter service with no table service. Tipping is not expected. Pro tip: when in doubt, 15% is a safe middle ground for most sit-down meals. Number 8. How to set up autopay. This hit record search volume in 2025 because it's the easiest way to avoid late fees, but people worry they'll overdraft their account. Here's how to do it safely. Log into the biller's website or your bank's website. Look for autopay or automatic payments. Choose the date and amount. For fixed bills like rent or insurance, set it for a few days after your paycheck hits. Keep a list of what's on autopay. Put it in your phone or a budget document. This way you know what's coming out and when. Pro tip: only autopay fixed bills at first, not variable ones like utilities. Once you're comfortable, you can add more. Number 9. How to change a tire. This is one of those skills that seems intimidating, but it could save you hundreds of dollars and a long wait on the side of the road. First, find your spare tire jack and lug wrench. They're usually in the trunk. Before jacking up the car, loosen the lug nuts slightly. Not all the way, just break them loose. Place the jack under the car's frame near the flat tire. Check your car's manual for the exact spot. Jack the car up until the tire is off the ground. Now remove the lug nuts completely and pull off the flat tire. Put the spare tire on, hand tighten the lug nuts, lower the car, then tighten the lug nuts all the way in a star pattern. Pro tip: practice this once in your driveway when you're not in an emergency. You'll thank yourself later. Number 10. How to clean a bathroom. This is one of those tasks that seems straightforward until you're standing there, wondering what cleaner goes where and what order to do things in. Always clean from top to bottom. Start with the mirror and sink, then the toilet, then the floor. This way, dirt falls down to areas you haven't cleaned yet. Use the right products. Toilet bowl cleaner goes in the toilet, not the sink. All-purpose cleaner works for most other surfaces. For the toilet, use a toilet bowl cleaner, let it sit for a few minutes, scrub with the brush, then flush. For the shower, spray it down with bathroom cleaner, let it sit, then scrub and rinse. Pro tip: never mix bleach with other cleaners. It creates toxic gas. And wear gloves. Your hands will thank you. And those were 10 life skills. Young adults are actually Googling right now. If you want more practical life skills content, take the free life skills assessment at quenchyvibes.com. It'll help you figure out exactly which skills to focus on first. Subscribe to this channel for more videos on adulting without the overwhelm. Remember, life's too short to learn everything the hard way. Get help at quenchyvibes.com.